The rise of robots in the workforce.
Robots and automation are increasingly used in industries like manufacturing, logistics, and even healthcare. Experts estimate that millions of jobs worldwide now rely on some form of robotic assistance, especially for repetitive or hazardous tasks. Companies use robots to improve efficiency, reduce errors, and keep workers safe, but this raises questions about the future of human employment.
Jobs most affected by automation.
Routine and repetitive jobs are most vulnerable to being replaced by robots. This includes roles like assembly line work, data entry, and basic machine operation. A 2020 study suggested that about 14% of global jobs could be automated in the coming decades. But not all sectors are affected equally, and many new roles are also being created.
How robots create new opportunities.
While robots may take over some tasks, they also generate new jobs. Careers in robot design, programming, maintenance, and supervision are on the rise. Human workers are needed to manage, troubleshoot, and improve these systems. The spread of robotics often requires continuous learning and adaptation rather than outright job loss for most people.
The human skills robots can't replace.
Creativity, empathy, and complex problem-solving are areas where humans still excel. Jobs involving interpersonal communication, nuanced decision-making, and care, such as teaching, counseling, and many healthcare roles, are less likely to be fully automated. These uniquely human abilities remain in high demand even as technology advances.
The future outlook, adapting together.
Experts agree that robots will change, not erase, most jobs. Workers who upgrade their skills and adapt to new technologies are better positioned for the future. Encouraging lifelong learning and focusing on collaboration between humans and machines can help ensure that technological progress creates benefits for everyone.